Hey, what's going on, everybody? Abe Diaz here, aka the Data Strangler. Today's video is going to be about how to send Power BI dashboard updates outside of Power BI service using Power Automate Web. So, if you know or if you don't know, in Power BI service, after you publish your PBIX file to your workspace, you can create a subscription, which is basically sending an recurring email for yourself, for others in your organization. How you do it here is you just call name the subscription name. You want to attach the full report or not. Select start and end date, and you repeat daily, weekly, monthly, whatever cadence you and your stakeholders want to go for. You set the time zone as well, and then every day at that time, these individuals, group of individuals, would get this report. So let's say we set up for tomorrow or weekly. Every week it gets sent at a certain time, or daily. Say every morning by 7 a.m. This report will be sent to everybody's email box. Found a technique a couple months ago that someone showed me that you can do the same thing, but with Power Automate Web. So first things first, you need to set up an email notifications Excel document. So I have a table here, or I have an Excel right here with a tab called emails, with an email right here, and a table called emails. Now you can do the same thing here. Just set up however many emails you need to for your organization. Then you save this to your OneDrive and or SharePoint. So I'm going to close this out. Then I'm going to go to Power Automate Web. I'm going to go here to create a scheduled cloud flow. So because this is going to send at a specific time every day, I'm going to name this BJJ Daily Report. I'm going to have it start tomorrow. Everyone will get it at, say, 8 a.m. I want this flow to repeat every day. And as you can see here, you got a lot of options depending on the frequency of this report needing to be sent out. Going to create right here. It's going to take us to the Canvas pane. Then I'm going to create a new step. So my Excel is in a OneDrive. So I'm going to go to I'm going to type in the action here, OneDrive. I'm going to search for my specific action, which is going to be list rows present in a table. I'm going to browse for that file to my desktop. Yeah, Data Strangler, Power Automate. Whoops, wrong one. Oh, I saved it in the wrong folder. All right, now that I got it in the right folder, I put everything in the right folder. I'm going to go to here, click my Excel, get my tables, go to emails, and I'm going to add another step, apply to each, value, then I'm going to add an action. I'm going to send it via Gmail. So I'm going to go to Gmail, send an email. Emails, I'm going to name it BJJ Data Report. Sorry about that, I had to re-sign in. So um, you just get your dynamic content from your previous apply to step. So you're going to be sending the emails, and it's every email on this list in the Excel. Put the subject, BJJ Data Report, and then just type in the body, hello, please see BJJ report below. Hit the link, go to the Power BI here. BJJ daily report. Oops, can't spell. There. Then you can make it bold, underline it so they can see it well. And now you just press save and test the flow. Going to manually test it. Going to run it. It says the flow ran successfully. Took about a second. Update here. And now I can see my BJJ daily report. Click here. And it takes me to my report. So every day at 8 a.m., I'll get this report and I'll be able to view it as well as see it in Power BI service. So I think this is super beneficial in case Power BI service for some reason ever goes down, or this is just an extra backup to be able to make sure like your stakeholders or members on your team and your colleagues are able to get their reports every day, every week, whatever the cadence is. So hope this video makes sense. Hope you like. Hope you subscribe. Please tell your friends, and see you next time.